Hello students, what we are going to discuss today is Unit 1.4, that is Sport for Socialism. In the last video, what we have discussed about the ideas of Karl Marx, the ideas of Friedrich Engels and Louis Blanc, right? We have discussed about the ideas of these people, these thinkers, and we have read about the socialism too. Right? And the ideas that was spread by these thinkers, from where they get the sport, from where they got the sport. Now, sport for socialism. Let's start with the chapter. What was there by 1870s? By 1870s, socialist ideas spread throughout Europe. What were the socialist ideas and what were the capitalist ideas? Capitalist ideas were there, those who are having either the one person or two person, those who are having the resources, they will use their resources, whatever the profit they will earn, that profit will be for them, not for the workers, those who were working with them, right? But socialism means to take all the people together, in the, and whatsoever resources are there of the society, that will be under the control of society, not under the control of any individual. That is socialism, right? So what was there? The socialist ideas spread throughout Europe, and then what happened? Whatsoever socialists were there, different organizations were there in different area. Different socialist organizations were there in different area, right? Then all these associations, all these socialist association, what they made one big association, that is known as Second International. Formation of the international body. What was that international body? Second International. Why they have given the name of Second International? Reason was there, because it was the second international organization. And who was the first? The first was there, that was the capitalist. That was the capitalism. And this organization, socialist organization, was formed to counter the exploitation of the capitalism or the capitalist class, right? That's why it gave the name, that is Second International. The first was, that was capitalism, right? And what was there? Similar associations were formed. Similar associations. Which kind of similar associations? Socialist associations. Same kind of associations were formed everywhere in the world, mainly in Europe. Similar associations were formed everywhere in the world, or mainly in Europe. For example, Germany, which was their SPD, Socialist Democratic Party. In England, Labour Party was there, and in France, Socialist Party was there. Here, Socialist Democratic Party in Germany, in England, Labour Party, and in France, the Socialist Party was there. Whosoever working parties were there, working means labor class were there, labor associations were there, socialists were there. What they were doing, they were joining these political parties like SPD, Labour Party and Socialist Party. Smaller socialist party were joining SPD in Germany, Labour Party in England and Socialist Party in France, right? So what these parties were doing, what these socialist associations were doing, these associations fighting for better living. These associations fighting for better living, right? I told you what was there at the time of capitalism, that industrialists, they were exploiting the working class, right? their living condition was not better. So they were fighting, these fighting with socialist association. Which association? Socialist association fighting for better living and working condition. And what these associations were doing, they set up funds. They set up funds like SHG, self-help group. What they were doing, they were helping their members of their own group. They were helping the member of their own group with the help of this fund. They were helping the members at the time of need. Means when the member of that particular party was in need, what they were doing, whatever these funds set up by these associations, they were helping that members at the time of crisis. Right. And reduction in working hour. They were fighting for the reduction in working hour and right to vote. They were fighting for right to vote. Why they were fighting for right to vote? Because if they will give vote to the socialist party, then what will be there? Socialism came. Socialism will come. When socialism will come, then what will be there? Whose ideas will spread? Socialists' ideas will spread, and the condition of working class will be better. So what was there till 1914? Till 1914, what was there? Socialist party tried a lot in Europe. Socialist parties tried a lot in Europe to come in power, to form the government, but they were not able. But they were not able till 1914. One big change came in 1914. That change was World War I. That change was World War I. We'll discuss it afterwards. So till 1914, what was there? Socialists never succeeded. Socialist parties never succeeded in forming government in Europe. Right. But what was there? Suppose this is here. This is India. Here. These are different constituencies. From two constituencies, socialists won. From other liberal or conservatives won. Right. So what was there? But their ideas did shape the legislation. Means some were elected from the socialist party, but they were not succeeded in forming the government. Those who were elected from the socialist party, what they were doing, they were giving their ideas. They were giving the ideas to the conservative, and they were pressurizing them to legislate the new laws. So what was there? But their ideas did shape the legislation. Their ideas were giving the shape to the law-making body. But till now, what was there? Government was run by the conservative, liberals, and the radicals. Three groups: conservative, radicals, and the liberals, and the fourth group, that is a socialist. Right? This was there unit 1.4. In the next video, we will start the Russian Revolution. Till here, our one part is over, and next part will start now, that is a Russian Revolution. So till here, you have to make the notes very seriously and carefully, because it is one of the most important chapter of history. So till then, stay home and stay safe. Thank you.